Hello friends, welcome back to the Domain Race. As a domain racer web hosting company, the people are asking a lot of questions, and one of the most common question is, after moving a website, will that affect your SEO? And so we have decided to create a video on this. So you can able to say that this video will cover how to move your web hosting without hurt your SEO and without affecting your SEO. Before moving further, we must have to know the brief understanding about SEO. Nothing in this world is permanent. People changes, businesses changes, of course, the web hosting also changes. In this case, whenever you are doing a migration, or you can able to say that switching towards a new company, there might be a very common questions comes in the mind, that is, will that affect my current SEO? So basically, the question is very simple, but the answers to the question is very complicated. So to avoid these all complications, we are going to create this video. So very first, we need to understand, will that affect the mostly? Yes. Yes, definitely it will affect, because there are a lot of factors that you need to consider before moving towards the new web hosting company. After moving your website, that actually affect your SEO success and long-term strategy. That effect will manifest your metric parameters such as organic traffic, lead generation, and a brand visibility. There are several causes that affect your SEO while moving a web hosting. So in this case, the few of them are, you have to go with a nearest possible server location to your audience. And second one is downgrading your web hosting towards a lower plan. So that also affect your SEO. Third one is moving towards a low quality web hosting company. Fourth one is performing a significant structural changes in the website. These are the basic four things. If you are doing, then definitely your website SEO will get affected. But have you noticed one thing? We are here talking about SEO. Will our migration or moving a website will affect SEO? The answer is, we are already going to cover in this video. But here the announcement is, as a domain racer, we are offering free of cost a premium quality SEO tool to our all customers, which are worth $49 per month, that are going to be offered to our domain racer client free of cost. You can able to take definitely a advantage of it. But on the other side, if you wanted to move your website from one server to the another server, in this case you have to consider a lot of factors, and those are, very first, you have to always consider the upgrading, or at least you have to keep the same configuration on the new server, because if you do that, so you will get the same performance or a little bit higher performance to us with a new web hosting company. Second one, always choose the high quality or better configuration based server. Third one, whenever you are moving your website, always move all the website content safely and 100% as it is to the new web hosting. So this way, if you are moving your website, then it will not affect your SEO. But when we are choosing any web hosting company, so in this case, you have to consider a few factors. In that, the few of them are, first one is server location. So that helps you to get the nearby server location towards audience. But you can, in this case, you can also use Cloudflare to get a more visibility and better deliverability to the user. Second one is light speed technology. This is one of the technology that helps you to speed up your web hosting performance. Third one is SSD storage, because without SSD storage currently you might not able to get a better performance. And fourth one, obviously you need a SSL certificate. And when we talk about the fifth one, that is continuous support and the better hand holding from your new web hosting company to your website, or helping you to get the problem solutions if you have any problem in the technical. Apart from that, they also has to help you in migration. If you don't know, then the video is already given in the description about how you can able to move your WordPress from one server to another server, or you can able to directly move your cPanel from one server to another server. Both the videos are given in the description. And one more thing, if you are going with a domain racer, you will get everything that you are need to migrate. And if you need a high quality server or all these 5 or 6 features, then you can able to definitely choose domain racer. But if you have any queries, you can able to comment below, or you can able to get with our 24/7 support team. They are available 24/7, so they will help you in all the query and help you in migration as well. But here we are talking about, will that affect your SEO? The answer is no, if it has been done very properly. And apart from that, you also has to make sure that the resources like images, JavaScript, CSS and all the other parameters has been redirected in a very proper format, so it will not affect SEO, because these all things has to be considered in the development area. So you guys has to also make sure that if you are using the same website like abc.com and moving the same website to the another company, so in this case directly move entire data safely to the new server. So in this case you will not have to worry about the data misconfiguration or missing in the migration process. So please always follow the video guides given in the description for the migration of website. If you don't know about how to migrate, you can able to communicate with our technical support department, so they will help you in the migration. So you do not have to worry about the effect of SEO after migration. Here please follow all the guides given in this video, so you will safely move your website, save your cost, and also you will get a better performance for your future, because nothing is permanent and you always has to improvise yourself, and our goal is to grow you so we can able to grow together. So if you have any query, please comment below. We are available 24/7 and we wanted to help you in all possible ways. So please comment below, and for now like, share and subscribe this video, so we will come with a new energy.